Hi. I think I'm sick. So we're probably not going to be posting a lot of videos. I don't know why we said we. I'm the only one who works on this channel. But I've been really into Animal Crossing lately. I mean, I'd record videos of it if I had a capture card, but I don't. So instead, we're going to be doing a tier list for the cat villagers. Because I like cats. So I've got this tier list. S is the best. F is going to be the worst. And we're going to start with this one. Okay. I am very biased when it comes to Annika. I don't know how to pronounce her name. I may pronounce it wrong. Because she is my dreamie. I just really like her design. So straight up S tier. Straight up S tier. Tom's a tough one. I didn't even know he existed until I had to look up all the villagers. Like, he's okay. I'd say probably C tier. Tangy. Tangy's cute. Tangy can go here. Oops. Okay. Not even gonna try to pronounce her name. I dislike her. Not the worst, but I dislike her. You're cute. I'd put you with Tangy. Stinky goes F tier. I'm sorry, but Stinky goes F tier. Like, that green color is just no. Rudy! I have Rudy. A tier. Love him. Tabby. F tier. Pearl. Pearl's not the worst. Pearl's definitely better than her, so Pearl can go D tier. Punchy! We love Punchy. We stan Punchy. I think is that the right word? I don't know. I'm not good when it comes to words. I'm probably using stan wrong. So sorry if I am using it wrong. I just can't English. I think you go there, Olivia, with Tom in the C tier. Because you're cute. Raymond! S tier. I mean, originally I didn't like Raymond that much, but I got him as a random campsite villager, and that made me really appreciate him a lot more because he is so cute. Mo. What's up with the buck teeth, sir? D tier. Oops. Mitzi. I think that's how you say it. Up there with you. You're like, you fit in there. Mary's cute. I think I like her better than those, so she can go there. Lolly. Oh, no, stop. Goodness. Who did I just make extremely small by accident? I'm not sure, but I'm gonna have to fix that, I feel. Oh, I guess I didn't. I'm dumb. Yeah, Lolly gets to go in A tier. Love. Kitty, sorry. I'm sorry, but I absolutely hate your color scheme. Okay, I'm biased. I'm very biased with Kiki because I have a cat named Kiki. Kid Cat. Kid Cat's cute. Kid Cat can go S tier. You can go F tier. Kabuki, I mean, I would have put him in, like, F or E tier, but I've had him before on my island, so once again, I'm kind of biased. So I think there. Yeah, you fit in there. Come on. Freaking OCD makes me place it perfectly. Haha, perfectly. Felicity, she's kind of cute. She can go in C tier. I mean, I like her more than Kabuki. And last but not least, Bob. Bob can go in C tier. If you guys want me to do more Animal Crossing related videos, please tell me. Also, if you hate one of the villagers I put high or love one of the ones I put low, you do you. I'm not hating. It's just my opinion. You have your opinion, I have my opinion. I'm surprised we only have one E tier. I just really think her makeup's not good. But compared to these guys, she's better. But compared to those guys, she's not that good. So yeah, Kid Cat and Annika are both some of my dreamies, as well as Punchy. So I put them pretty high up. I mean, Lolly's actually not one of my dreamies, but I would not kick her off if I got her. That's how I'm rating these things, but I want to kick them off if I got them. Like, I have Rudy on my island. I'd probably kick Rudy off eventually, but not anytime soon. Tangy's just, oh my god, adorable. Well, I'm gonna go play Animal Crossing, even though it's 3:18. And I say it's 3 a.m. Okay, the witching hour or whatever. I don't care. The only demon under my bed is me because I have a bunk bed. Now, what did I just do? Bob, I'm sorry. Well, I'm sorry for this chaotic video. I must go now.